I'm Dr. Pooja Kataria, Senior Physiotherapist in AIG Hospital. Today I'll be teaching you few breathing exercises that will help your oxygen intake to the lungs. It will improve your lung capacity and it is very important for recovery for the post-COVID patients. To start with breathing exercises, you have to be comfortable, sit comfortable. Now take deep inhalation through your nose and exhalation, your deep exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Okay, repeat this 10 to 15 times. Next exercise is when you are taking deep inspiration, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth as if you are doing whistling. Inhale. Okay, repeat 10 to 15 times. Next important exercise is when you are doing inhalation, you have to expand your chest. Okay, do this. Expire, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Third exercise is you are inhaling deeply, hold for 5 counts and exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Next exercise is you have to take some water in a glass with straw. First, make bubbles, blow out. Inhale, blow out. Inhale, blow out. So you have to blow out completely by making bubbles. Deep inspiration, deep inhale through your nose. Again, blow out. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times. Next very important exercise is this spirometer exercise. So this is spirometer, easily available in pharmacies. So it has cc's, 600 cc, 900 cc, 1200 cc in it. So it depends upon how much oxygen you are inhaling. Suppose you are raising this one ball, that means your oxygen intake is 600. So to practice this, you have to put this mouthpiece in your mouth and take deep inspiration through your mouth. So how you will do it? Put this mouthpiece. So now I am lifting this ball. So I am trying to lift all 3 balls, but only red ball is lifting. That means your oxygen intake is 600 cc. So try to lift all 3 balls. That means you will be inspiring 1200 of cc in one time. Try to repeat this for 10 to 15 times and 4-5 times in a day. Okay, put this mouthpiece. Right. So next exercise is huffing. This exercise will help you to clear the lung secretions. If you have cough, this exercise will help you. Take deep inspiration, deep inhalation. Again, repeat 10 to 15 times. Next exercise is take a tissue, normal tissue, and try to do this. Repeat all these exercises 10 to 15 times in one set, 4-5 times in a day.